One of the most transformational things we can do as men is spend time with other men. When we do, we can't help but be positively influenced by each other. One man is good with tools. One man is good with money. One man is good with himself. When men spend time with each other, they roll a little bit of each man into themselves. He walks taller, talks louder, asserts himself more, as his confidence and sense of self increases and his mind is opened by new insights and perspectives. That's why I personally attend as many Austin men's group meetups, men's retreats, and weekend camping events with the guys as possible. It's also why I love talking with men every day as a men's coach. Not only am I helping men fix their failing marriages, I am also being strengthened, renewed, and reminded of who I am as a man as well. As a men's coach, my job is to listen and echo back to a man what I hear him saying so he can hear himself, help him challenge his thinking, help him clarify his thoughts, share my experiences and insights, point to resources, and walk with him on his journey. Believe it or not, a men's coach does not have all of your answers, but a good men's coach can help you surface your own answers for yourself. No one has to live with the consequences of your decisions for your life, but you. Your wife, kids, boss, co-workers, clients, friends, family, and even your men's coach doesn't have your answers because only you can be honest about who you are, what you desire, what you want to experience, and who you want to be. There is a lot more we can learn about ourselves and about being a calm, confident, grounded, connected, loving, passionate, unapologetic man. Life is a patient, generous, loving teacher that allows us to experience what we need to experience as many times as we need to experience it to learn what we need to learn. God, the universe, life, source energy, the big kahuna, whatever we choose to label it, has bigger and better plans than we do, and we still get to make choices. Whether those insights come from Jesus, Buddha, Rick Warren, Marcus Aurelius, or your own observations and experiences, we can take comfort in knowing that our insights have always been and always will be, and that we are growing through our pain into a stronger, more mature, more understanding man. We are just now personally tuning in, becoming aware, waking up, and increasing our consciousness to what we need to know to experience life more deeply, to be more alive. In the meantime, we are all just walking each other home. If you want to talk with another man who understands you in the frustration, resentment, and lack of intimacy in your marriage, or if you are feeling undesired, unwanted, disrespected, disregarded, and unloved in your relationship, then schedule a free coaching call today and let's talk about how to improve what's going on in your romantic relationship and life. Visit happymancoaching.com to learn more.